afternoon, dear students. Hope you are enjoying online classes. In the last class, we discussed about heartbeat, pulse, blood and its functions. So today in this class, let's study about components of blood. The components of blood are, first it is RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Now let's see each one in detail. So what are these RBCs? They are red blood cells. They are red blood cells. Do you know why the human being blood is red in color? Because of the pigment known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. I'll repeat. Human being blood is red in color because of this pigment known as hemoglobin. So, heme is nothing but the iron part, and also globin is a protein. Just remember that heme is an iron part of the blood and also globin is a protein part. And further concern to this word you will be studying in your higher classes. So what is the function of these RBCs? Functions of these RBCs are, they are the oxygen carriers. Oxygen carriers means these RBC cells, that is the red blood cells, helps in transporting oxygen to different parts of the body, and hence therefore they are called as oxygen carriers. I'll repeat, hemoglobin, heme is iron part, globin is protein, and the main function of the red blood cells is that they are called as oxygen carriers. Is it clear? Yes. Next we'll go for WBCs, that is white blood cells. White blood cells. White blood cells are very much important in the blood. They help in increasing our immunity. They increase in immunity. How it is? They help to fight against. They help in avoiding or fighting against disease-causing germs. Disease-causing germs. So that is WBCs, the white blood cells, are very important to maintain our immunity. That is, proper count of WBCs helps in fighting against the disease-causing germs, whether it is virus or bacteria, etc. So dear students, even now for this COVID pandemic, our immune system, that is our WBC, that is white blood cells, should be very strong. If our immunity is very strong, none of the virus or bacteria will have a place in our body and it can exhibit its own, that is symptoms or like that. Next, we shall move to platelets. Platelets, component of the blood, which helps in clotting, right? Platelets help in clotting of the blood. Just imagine there is no clotting factor found in the blood. What would have happened? Even a small cut on your skin, the blood oozes like anything and it may lead to death. Because of the presence of this platelets component in the blood will clot immediately when it reacts with the oxygen, and in detail you will be studying in your next upcoming classes. Just remember, platelets help in clotting of the blood whenever we have injury, right? Whenever we have injury, external or internal bleeding, right? Yes. So in today's class we discussed about RBCs, WBCs and platelets. So what is RBCs? They are the red blood cells. That is, the blood is red in color because of the presence of pigment. What it is? Hemoglobin is a pigment. Right? Heme is nothing but iron part. Globin is nothing but the protein part. And function of red blood cells, they are oxygen carriers. They help in transporting oxygen to different parts of the body. And coming to WBCs, they are white blood cells which helps to maintain our immunity and also helps in fighting against disease causing germs. Platelets helps in clotting of the blood at the time of injury. Dear students, watch the video carefully, read the textbook and answer the home assignment questions. Meet you in the next video. Take care.